From ancient times, cordyceps has been thought of as a mysterious medicine that can make eternal life possible. As a special type of mushroom which grows on certain insects, cordyceps is known to have excellent effects in recovering fatigue and strengthening muscles. As its other efficacies, such as anti-cancer effects, have been discovered, cordyceps is gaining worldwide attention. Despite breathtaking progresses in modern medicine, there are still tens of millions of people who are afflicted with cancer. Though conventional treatments, including surgical procedures and chemotherapy, are available nowadays, a complete effective cure is yet to be found. Amid such circumstances, a number of studies are actively being carried out to develop new treatment methods and cures. Oriental medicine is no exception in trying new cancer treatments using natural herbs. Herbal medicines are producing great effects in cancer patients. This patient, suffering from ovarian cancer, is also showing much progress after receiving acupuncture and moxibustion therapies in combination with myeonyeokdan, an herbal regimen newly developed by this clinic.
면역단이라는 자체가 다른 것들에 비해 가지고서 훨씬 더 좋은 효과가 나왔어요.
Myeonyeokdan is mostly used to enhance the immune system. It is designed to cure cancer by strengthening immune cells so that they can battle tumor cells successfully. Traditionally in Oriental medicine, mushrooms were frequently prescribed for cancer patients. As an herbal medicine newly developed based on this tradition, myeonyeokdan mainly consists of herbal extracts derived from cordyceps and other medicinal mushrooms. One of the major constituents, cordyceps, has been proven to strengthen the immunity and inhibit the progress and metastasis of tumor cells.
그 면역력을 회복시킬 목적으로 그 면역단을 구성하는데 그 동충하초는 그 예로부터 그 신하고 간을 보호해 가지고 그 몸에 그 균형을 잡아준다든지 면역을 증진시키는 거로 아주 가장 대표적인 약물 중에 하나였거든요. 그래서 면역단에 이제 동충하초가 들어가게 된 거죠.
Cordyceps is basically a type of highly medicinal mushroom, which exists as an insect in winter and then turns into a mushroom the following summer. Its growing process is very mysterious. Mushroom spores make their way into a live insect and feed on it during the winter, and during the following summer, they grow out breaking through the surface of the dead insect. In Oriental medicine, cordyceps has long been considered one of the best and rarest medicines, along with ginseng and deer antlers. It manifests wonderful effects in restoring the general well-being and promoting the lung and kidney functions. Despite its excellent efficacy, however, cordyceps could not be widely used so far because it was not easily available. Only on the Chinese-Tibetan Plateau, over 3,000 meters above sea level, could genuine cordyceps be produced. But recently, Korean researchers have successfully developed a method by which cordyceps can be cultivated in living silkworms. Now that mass production is made possible, cordyceps can be used more easily and widely in Oriental medical treatments. The name of the artificially cultivated cordyceps is Phaceolomyces japonica. Mushroom spores planted in a living silkworm grow inside the worm's body and then sprout from it in the shape of a snowflake the following summer. Cordyceps is both an insect and a plant at the same time. Therefore, it contains a spectrum of vegetable nutrients, such as carbohydrates and fiber, as well as animal nutrients, such as protein and essential amino acids. In addition to those nourishing substances, it also has a variety of therapeutic properties, such as D-mannitol, polysaccharides, and ergosterol.
그래서 이러한 물질들이 어떤 효능을 나타내는지를 구체적으로 시험한 결과 항암 효과라든지 면역 증강 작용, 항피로 작용뿐만 아니고 항스트레스, 항노화 또는 간 기능을 개선하는 이런 아주 탁월한 그런 효능이 있는 것이 밝혀졌습니다.
A number of studies have confirmed cordyceps' ability to fight cancer cells, aging, and chronic fatigue. A recent experiment carried out in this institute has shown that cordyceps can slow down the process of cancer cell growth and thus raise the survival rate of the affected mice. And it has also been proven that artificially cultivated cordyceps produces as much anti-cancer effects as its naturally grown counterpart. These are the results of an animal test using mice. First, cancer cells were implanted in the test subjects, and then they were divided into 3 groups. In the first group, no medicine was administered. Artificially grown cordyceps, or Pachyliomyces japonica, was applied to the second. Naturally grown cordyceps, or Cordyceps sinensis, was applied to the third. 15 days later, they were dissected. In the second and third groups, cancer cell growth and metastasis were inhibited significantly, and their lives were prolonged to a large extent. Cordyceps manifested miraculous effects in preventing tumor cells from growing any further. The mice treated with cordyceps showed 50% higher cure rate than the group fed nothing. In addition, it was also proven to have wonderful life-prolonging effects. Mice in the 2 groups treated with cordyceps survived 35 days on average, while those in the control group survived just 22 days. Then what specific constituents of cordyceps produce such effects?
콜디셉스 시넨시스 중국산 동충하초는 다당체가 면역력 증강 효과와 세포 독성 2가지 효과를 같이 가지는 것으로 알려져 있고요. 패슬마이스 자포니카 눈꽃 동충하초는 저분자성 물질이 세포 독성을 가지고 다당체가 면역력 증강 효과를 가지기 때문에 그 항암 효과가 나타나는 것으로 밝혀졌고요.
Evidence is also mounting that cordyceps is good for relieving fatigue, restoring vital energy qi, supporting the immune response, and slowing the aging process. In addition, it is useful for both preventive and treatment measures for chronic adult diseases, such as hypertension and diabetes. Recent evidence also suggests that cordyceps may prove valuable in the long-term treatment of HIV virus. Cordyceps has long been considered a mysterious life-prolonging medicine. In recent years, studies on its constituents and its efficacies are actively carried out both in Eastern and Western medicine. Scientific efforts to develop cordyceps into a cure for many disorders will be continued.